Hey guys, for our backlinking projects, I want to point out a few things just to make sure they're really clear. So website-installer.com, go to professional services. One of those things, you can stop and start these any which way you want at any time. And you can also go into maintenance mode at any time. And if you got any questions before you do anything, just contact me and say, hey Dave, what makes sense? Or how do I let you know about this? And I'll just tell you, no problem. Having said that, if you do not know what you want to promote, you've got choices. So in the lower box, like upper box, always put your email anyway, obviously, right? you@youremail.com, because we want to be able to stay in contact with you about your project. You're paying money, make sure we're in contact with you. This should be an email that you actually read. Don't worry, we're not going to spam. All right, your website to be marketed. If you have one or know what it is, put it in there. If you want to impress your boss, put in the company's website so you can show them later. Get off of the floor and into the office. Who knows? If you don't know what you want to promote, then you've got some choices. You can put choose for me. I have to explain that a little later, but let me just cut to the quick. We got a hold of our locksmith dispatchers who also do some other big industries. We say, hey, what if we want to do a ton of industries, large and small? And you can, let us know which ones you'll accept. Give us phone numbers for those. And we're going to go ahead and run those things out, for our guys. And we can do them large and small. And you can sell the leads, performance marketing, because they've been doing that now. Or share the profit on the actual sales revenue. And that just depends on each industry. Some industries, they're selling leads. Other industries, they're sharing the profits on sales. But we wanted to be able to operate with more industries. They said, okay, you know what that means? That we're going to do a whole slew of industries and use their phone numbers to drive all the traffic into them. And wherever the money starts to appear, whichever industries are working the best. And this is like anything we want, okay? Industries large and small, okay? Anything nationwide where we tend to beat other people out because of most cities there are not web savvy. Guess what? We're going to pull people in those directions. Why? Because each of you guys who start making money, you're going to want to keep paying us to keep building and building and building and pushing for the industries. All right, so that's one thing. So choose for me means that we may just shift right in the middle. We might like take in 3-4 of your payments or whatever these levels, and then we say, ooh, we've been building you up here. And we'll just let you know, hey, we're thinking about shifting you over here because there's more cash over there. And you'll be like, okay. Or, no, I actually like what you've been building over here. I want to start another subscription for whatever it is you said over there. We'll just let you know. Make sure we get your buy-in before we move you, But exactly, the idea is harness everyone in the directions that work. We can go industry-wide, nationwide times multiple industries. So there's no such thing as running out of room. It's just too big. Is the internet we're talking about here, and we can build 1,000 websites a day for any industry we want. It's so massive, and we can put like hundreds of projects on each of the websites we have. We got 850 websites now, and it took no time to build that up on 11 servers. It won't take any time or effort to double, triple, quadruple that kind of capacity. And what we want are lots of people paying monthly, because that provides stability for us to grow with on all of our behalves. So choose for me is a viable, valuable option. What's another option? Maybe you want to do a different project, different size, same size, whatever. But you could do it in another project. And what could it be? Well, sign up to Website Installer. Just sign up. It's free, right? Just sign up. And when you're in Website Installer and you have an account, and if you ever bought anything from here, then you already do. Guess what? In the background, we're creating these legacy UAP. We're up to a version 7 now. It has a sitemap randomizer in it. You hit a button and it rearranges the links in the sitemap. That way, website to website to website, all your city, service, keyword columns that have brackets that would have caused the same layout of URLs, sitemaps no longer have the same layout at all. It just looks random. So, and then some of the sitemaps can have more pages than others. So there's no relationship at all. They're totally different. All right, having said that, we are starting to create these templates for every industry. Why? Partially because we're doing this for our whole dispatch setup, right? We're going to pound it out. But then for anyone that wants to be able to just grab some of these, they want UAPs, legacy UAPs about each of these things. Well, okay, If you come to driveway contractors, so far these are not legacy UAP. You know why? They don't say anything about legacy UAP up in here. There's going to be more templates soon. We may even archive these because they're so old-fashioned now compared to the new ones. And they'll be labeled LUAP. What makes LUAP particularly special, other than the fact that it's totally modern, it has pre-created content in it that's good for trillions of unique web pages. So any number of websites that ever gets produced in any of these industries across any number of websites, we're never going to run out of content just from that UAP already. Okay, so you can buy all the websites you want. The productions you make are going to be unique. Other people can buy the same templates, maybe change some colors and use the UAP, and it will be unique. So everyone gets uniqueness, okay? And it's going to be this top level, top quality, highly compressed blitz and twice compressed SQL layout. In other words, if you created 500,000 pages on your website, they'll take up less room altogether than lifting your iPhone and taking a single picture with it. Okay, we did the math. It's like 2.65 meg. I think it was 2.65 or 3.5. I forget. Meg for 500,000 web pages on the website to be added to the template. Isn't that insane? That's how utterly compressed we've been able to get. And it's extremely fast loading too, because it's fast indexing. Because of the way it's compressed. It's just easier to scan through and find the right information from a browser searching for the right page point of view. Okay, having said that, the world is huge and it's kind of like your oyster right now. So the reason that you would sign up for the professional services is so that we start building tons of super affiliate websites for you that pitch. It could be this. And it's going to pitch, website installer, right? Get the templates. It's going to have the videos and pitch why people should get the templates. And people come to your site because it'll be through your affiliate link, the promo code, right? Promo code naturally allows a discount. It will be very obvious on the super affiliate sites that they should use that promo code for the discount. They'll only know your promo code. Without the promo code, it's just more expensive. Okay, so you can be selling these and getting your sales commissions from the sales of these things. Okay, we'll explain to people why they want them. Basically, it's one-click self-installation, totally ready to roll. Email explains to them how to use it and where the videos are, right, for the training. And then they just download the Excel file, put in their keywords, their location, state, company name, phone number, if applicable, email, if applicable, destination URL, and then import it again and hit I want 1,000 pages go, and it just makes them right down in there. That's all their work for the whole website. They don't have to know anything about how to install a website. Okay, piece of cake. So if you really don't know what you want to sell and you're not interested so much in the dispatch center option, or you're doing that separately, but you want to do this too, because why not? Create your portfolio of opportunity right now. What have we never been able to do? Create 1,000 new websites a day for any industry we feel like. We can meet in the morning and go, gee, what industry today? And people are like, well, let's do this. And we go, all right, that's today. Guys, designers, get on it. Developers, get on it. Keyword guys, get on it. Content guys, get on it. And all of a sudden, or SEO guys, really. And all of a sudden, by the end of the day, we got 1,000 new projects out there already promoting and already leading to however many companies nationwide we wanted to point that to, or if it was all to lead traffic here to buy templates like that can do that, okay? And so how would you put that in here? Put your PC equals, okay? If you put anything like that, we'll know what it means. Believe it or not, there's a text field. It's not a website field. You can put PC equals, it's going to be like your ABC123 that you got when you signed up, because when you sign up, you'll get a promo code. You'll see what it is inside your dashboard. So just stick it in here. That way you're you@youremail.com. PC equals ABC123, subscribe. You know how powerful something like this would be? If you step in for 1,000 per month for however many months, and you're really pushing this up, revving this up, and we're doing this for all the different keyword combinations, for all the industries, talking about things like the dispatch centers and the ease of operation and take over your industry and auto multiply and go big and everything else. Huge. And then anytime you feel like you're where you want to be, or if you want to take a break for a while, you can go into maintenance mode. I don't see why you would. This is getting absolutely huge. Our backlinking network is one of the biggest in the nation. Okay. All right. And we only started it. We can move so fast, though. I mean, literally, we can become bigger than anyone this year. Just from sheer automation. We spent 12 years building up automation that's now so powerful, we can really roll this out and take over whatever we want. So we need your help to help consistently fund the growth of this expansion. But this is awesome. Okay? And your websites will be testaments of power. Anyone you want to mention it to, show your domain authority and page authority to, make your points about traffic to, you can do that. And that's just, it's huge. I don't know what to tell you. It's just absolutely worth it. Okay, I think you get the idea. There's a lot of money in this. We can set, for if you don't know, when you sign up, okay? We set these things with standard prices, but then when people come through your promo code, they get a discount, right? You can tell us what you want that discount to be. You can actually ask us to make it a certain price. And that's a different price than every other affiliate out there, okay? So if there is a reason you want a particular price to make something happen, let me know. Could be that you're working with a partner and the partner just demands like an extra 5 per sale or 10 per sale, and you just need that marked up. Like the discount might be $50, but then you really want it to be 40 because you need to have an extra $10 per sale after all. Still awesome. It could be, hey, get a $40 discount with this promo code. That's huge. No one knows about any $50 discount with some other promo code because your websites are for you. So all of the links are for you. All right.